So now we're going to explore AWS Shield. So if we drop down to the Security, Identity, and Compliance section, and we click on WAF and Shield, we can see that it highlights protects against DDoS attacks and malicious web traffic. And we wait patiently. Here we go. So to protect your web application from common web exploits, so we don't want WAF, we want Shield. We're going to go to getting started. I do apologize for the delay. We have kind of discussed, here we go. Oh, they've redesigned the console. That's kind of new. All right, so the basic AWS Shield is a managed DDoS protection that is free. And it gives you the stats of things that the AWS Shield has detected. So obviously my profile is new, so I don't have anything that they have encountered. So we are not going to sign up for the AWS Shield Advanced because it's $3,000 a month, and that's just not something I'm allotted with my student loans. But we can see under the features what is offered through the standard and then what is offered through the advanced. And as you can see, there's a significant amount of services that are offered through the Shield for $3,000 a month, which there should be things offered for $3,000 a month. So it goes into what else is offered. And AWS WAF, that's a mouthful, is also offered when you pay the $3,000 a month. So we'll go through the various overviews because obviously I'm not going to subscribe to Shield Advanced. But you can, here's things that you can add to the advanced. Again, I don't have a whole lot of data. I'm going to try and find some screenshots from people who have active services that have extended services that have had their assets protected for a longer amount of time, because here you can see it tells you what has been filtered out or what has been addressed. And if you don't have, so right, because we don't have advanced, we don't have access to these things, and we've built S3 buckets. A lot of things that we've done are in areas that aren't protected unless you have the advanced. Here we go. See, I don't have any protected resources. There are no events. But this is cool. This that shows what AWS is protecting all over the globe, which is very cool. I think it is something to be aware of, what has been attacked and what the activities look like, especially with the new climate where everybody's working from home. And this is the last 2 weeks, and it'll go, that's as far back as it goes, but the last 3 days. And then yesterday, things that happen. So it seems like I'm not really sure what their threat level of normal, like what that looks like for them. But I think it's very interesting that they monitor all these on a worldwide basis, and then they give that to you as a Amazon subscriber and say, look, this is what we're protecting, this is how we're protecting it. I think that's, information is the most important and the most powerful tool